Hey everybody, if your Delta Shore faucet keeps dripping even after you shut it off, chances are the cartridge is worn out. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the cartridge in a Delta 1314 series multi-choke shore valve. This is a super common repair, and with the right tools, you can do it yourself in under an hour. Let's get started. Tools and materials: replacement Delta cartridge RP46074, 1/8" Allen wrench, adjustable pliers if needed, plumber's grease, a towel to cover the drain, vinegar optional for cleaning calcium buildup. Step 1. Verify cartridge. First, make sure your faucet is the correct model. This fix works on Delta 1300 and 1400 series multi-choke valves. After 2005, look for the gray upper cap on your old cartridge. Even though cartridges may look similar, small differences mean they won't fit if you get the wrong one. Step 2. Shut off water. Turn off both hot and cold water supplies at the shut-off valves. If you don't have access nearby, shut off the main water supply to your house. Step 3. Remove the handle. Cover your drain with a towel so you don't lose any screws. Use a 1/8" Allen wrench to loosen the set screw on the handle. Then pull the handle off. If it's stuck from calcium buildup, soak it in vinegar for a while to loosen it up. Step 4. Remove trim and nut. Next, slide off the chrome sleeve. Then remove the brass retaining nut that's holding the cartridge in place. Step 5. Remove old cartridge. Now gently pull out the old cartridge. Wiggle it side to side if needed. If it's stubborn, use pliers to grip the stem and pull straight out. Be ready for a little water to drain out. Step 6. Compare and prep. Before installing, compare the old cartridge to the new one to make sure they match. Lightly coat the O-rings on the new cartridge with plumber's grease. Make sure the hot marking lines up with your hot water inlet, usually on the left. Step 7. Install new cartridge. Line up the tabs on the cartridge with the notches inside the valve, usually at 3 and 9 o'clock. Push it in firmly until it seats. Step 8. Reassemble. Replace the brass retaining nut, slide the chrome sleeve back on, and reattach your handle. Tighten the Allen set screw. Step 9. Adjust hot water limit. Before you finish, adjust the hot water limit stop. Pull out and rotate the white plastic piece on top of the cartridge. Set it lower if you want to prevent scalding, especially if you have kids. Final check. Turn your water back on and test it. Run the shower through cold, warm, and hot. Let it run a few minutes to flush out any debris. Then shut it off and wait 30 minutes. If there's no drip, you fixed it. And that's it. You just replaced a Delta RP46074 for cartridge and stopped that annoying drip. This simple DIY saved you the cost of a plumber and gave your shower a fresh start. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY plumbing tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you got yours working. See you in the next one.